Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to give you a short little update on what's going on in my life. So I made that video the other day saying I created a business, I'm a business owner. Yeah, I'm waiting for my LLC and I have to make a business bank account so I can start Amazon FBA. But right now, I'm grinding it out. I already found a couple products that I might be interested in selling. I have to pick one, and all of them are kind of expensive products, so I'm gonna be launching. It's probably gonna take about $2,500 to $3,000 to launch. Most people, like $1,200 to $1,500, should be fine to launch an Amazon FBA product, but I'm looking to do a little bit more. I want to start off with a little bit better quality product so I could sell it for a little bit more, closer to like the $30, $40, $50 range instead of like the $18 to $25 range. Make a little bit more profit. But yeah, I am just grinding it out at work right now, working 40 hours a week at a part-time job. Thankfully, I could actually do that. Work my way up there, so they let me work a lot there, and I'm just trying to build up my profit to a point, or not my profit, I'm trying to build up my bank account to a point where I could purchase my first product. But yeah, pretty much putting everything into this product, and it is awesome. Can't tell you guys right now, but yeah, I'm so excited, and I just have to keep grinding away until I have enough money to order it, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated.